Okay. What's the big emergency, Tiki? Yeah, we're kind of missing the twins is dolphin play. I have...
Ella has the hiccups.
I know what to do. Boo. Huh? Frankie, what are you doing? Scaring somebody is supposed to get rid of the hiccups. Well?
Oh no, she can't even talk without hiccuping. And if she can't talk, she can't say the biggest line of the play.
My play? My starring role? Ella, how could you? Boo! Did I scare them away this time? Nope. I'm sure I can still say the line. It'll just be a little bumpy. But you have to sing the line. Sing something. La, la, la. La. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Ella. Maybe we can work it into the play.
Yeah, you can be a hiccuping dinosaur. A hiccuposaurus. Roar. Heck. Roar. Heck. Ahem. May I remind everyone that hiccups aren't in the book?
Okay, then. What should we do, Belinda?
Well, I refuse to share the spotlight with some silly hiccups. We have to get rid of them. And I know just the thing. Hiccups come from your tummy. That's where you sing from. Warm it up and you'll be fine. Repeat after me. Me, me, ma, ma, mo, moo.
Me, me, ma, ma, mo, moo, moo.
Sounds great if you're a cow with the hiccups. Well, Oh, I'm sorry, Belinda. Maybe I should try something else. Oh, I know. My mom makes me and Georgie do this whenever we get the hiccups. Do this, Ella. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Switch directions. Row, row, row your boat. Okay, Ella. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row. Switch, twinkle, twinkle, switch. Row, row, row. And stop. How do you feel? Whoa. Dizzy. Sorry, Frankie. I don't think it worked. Oh, right. Yeah, I just realized that's what my mom does when she wants to tire us out. Oops.